Hey guys, Javen here. So in today's video, I want to share with you how you can grow the back of your hair in order to grow a successful tubular haircut. Enjoy. Hope you guys are having a fantastic day. If you like what you see, be sure to smash that subscribe button and turn on post notifications to never miss a brand new video again. So I've been receiving some messages from some of you guys on how exactly you can grow a tubular haircut, and a lot of you guys are not really understanding how you can grow the back of your hair. So hopefully after watching this video, you get a better idea on how you can actually grow your hair to get a tubular haircut. Now, my weekly update on my hair, you can see it's growing out nicely. So being Asian, one thing about my hair is that it still sticks up. So the top of my hair, even though I try pushing it down, it doesn't work. Everything still sticks up. So I would think it would take a little bit longer. Right now the hair is about this long. Maybe about this long, gravity will actually pull it down. The thing about the tubular haircut is that when your hair is long enough, for example, your hair is this long, everything will fall down and it creates like the mushroom and bow look. So it basically, you want to grow your hair out the same length all the way to the back. Simple explanation is think of yourself wearing a helmet. So a hair helmet per se. So let's say you just wear something like this, and all around, that should be about the same length as your tubular haircut, and that's how long you should grow it out. You could also imagine yourself with all your hair shaved off and then wearing a wig. You know, like a wig that's goes like that, all the way. With that foundation set, it's really easy for you to get the tubular haircut. The problem to grow a tubular haircut from this hair to a tubular haircut is extremely challenging because there's going to be many awkward phases while growing it out. You know, if you have a bow as well, you can just put the bow upside down on your head, and you know, like the bow will be like this. So if your hair is around the same length as me right now, this is way too short for a tubular haircut. So when I say pretend your hair is like a helmet, basically your top hair here, it has to grow from here all the way like that. This is what makes your hair that sticks out fall down, because gravity will actually pull it down. Right now my hair is way too short for this. When my hair is long enough, what I want to do is to shave the sides over here all the way up here. And it's the hair over here that grows out like this that falls down. Same thing as the sides over here. These sides are the same, and the back is the tricky part. What I want to do is to grow the top hair over here. This section, after you grow it long enough, this section here will be the same length as the top hair here. So whatever over here is falling down is the same length as here. Yeah, I hope you guys get my explanation, but after you grow the top hair long enough, where it falls down, this is when you can shave the bottom hair. So the only reason right now I'm not shaving the sides of my hair and the back of my hair is because if I shave it right now, it will be more awkward. And currently right now with my hair being all the same length, it doesn't look as awkward. Basically what I'm doing right now is growing out my hair as long as possible, or until I can't stand my hair anymore, and then just shave the sides. But like I always say, the key to a good tubular hairstyle is patience. Patience to grow your hair as long as possible. As well, if you don't feel comfortable going out with hair looking like this, just wear a cap and everything's hidden, guys. You know? So just by wearing a cap, you guys can survive the many months of awkward phases, and I'm confident that you guys can do the same thing too. What I want to make it clear is what you do not want to do is to shave like this right now. You do not want to shave like this, like right this instance, because if you think about it, guys, if you shave it right now, your top hair is still short, and then it's going to be like an awkward gap, right? So you shave like this, and this hair will still be like pretty short, and there will be no fading whatsoever. So you basically just think of yourself having like shaved back hair with like a block of hair over here, and that's what you do not want. This is why I keep going back to my advice on growing your top hair as long as possible before shaving anything off, because once you shave it off, it'll take a long time to grow back again. You know, for me, before I found the tubular haircut, I always shaved my sides, you know, always had like a short hairstyle. After discovering the tubular hairstyle, it has made it much easier for me to maintain my hair. So for example, when you have the ideal top hair length for your tubular haircut, you can easily shave the sides of your hair every few weeks, you know, just to maintain the look. And basically when the top hair is long enough, you can just trim it a little bit, you know? So maintaining the tubular hairstyle is pretty easy actually, and you can do it at home as well. So yeah, I'm gonna quickly show you a few photos on my laptop over here. Alright, so here you go. This is how I looked like when I had a tubular hairstyle. Over here you can see my top hair over here is shaved, and here my hair is not actually the top of my hair. This is from over here that grows long enough. So you can see that this hair here, I have to actually grow the top hair long enough in order to even get the tubular hairstyle, right? And another photo, Here you can see me pulling my hair outwards over here, and it's shaved all the way up to around here. Okay, and then to just show you, this is how you actually need to cut your tubular hairstyle. So the bottom here, the bottom back hair, this is where you can shave it off or fade it. Personally, I prefer just shaving it all off because Asian hair sticks out. So even though it's faded, just a little bit of hair will stick out and it doesn't look nice to me. So I prefer shaving all this part off. As well here, you want to grow this up long enough so this hair will match this hair over here. So when this hair falls down, this hair falls down as well to create the bow look. So here's a good example of your top hair being really long, and here it's about the same length. So usually for a tubular haircut, some people prefer this hair dipping down a little bit, but the hair below this hair is shaved. Here's another example. You have to really grow your top hair long enough. This guy has his hair over here grown all the way to here. And you have to remember, guys, that this hair is not growing from his lower back of his head. This hair is growing out from his top back, where it dips down. So again, to compare, over here, the hair over here is shaved, and then the hair that goes down over here is actually growing from the top over here. So this hair right here, you see, it has to grow long enough, like so. So if you look at this example of my hair currently, you can see that my hair that's over here and over here is still not long enough to actually grow all the way down. So basically, once your top hair here is grown long enough where it can like go down like this, then this is when you can shave the bottom hair. So in the same way, on my top hair here, once it's long enough to dip down to around the side of my scalp here, my head. So once like this and it dips down, I can safely shave the bottom hair. So yeah, I really hope my explanation made sense to you. If you have any other questions on this back hair topic, feel free to leave it in the comments down below and I'll try my best to answer them. So after this video, I'll also include all the photos I've shown you so you can see a more close-up look of it. I know this might sound a bit confusing because I didn't explain too well, but to recap, what you want to do is grow your top hair long enough, the top hair over here, long enough so that it dips down. And once you do that, over here, you can safely shave it off. Shave it off over here, shave it off over here, shave it off over here, and your top hair here will also grow the same length where it dips down to create a tubular haircut. So if your top hair here grows to this length, if you didn't touch anything to your bangs, it will technically still be the same length all the way to here. This is the top hair. And then anything below here and the sides, just shave it all off. I hope you guys learned something from this video. If you like it, let me know down in the comments below and check back next time.
But it's pretty steep. Well, this is a moment. This is it, boys. It's a bear.
Oh my goodness. Oh, please guys. This is insane. If it runs at us, we're booking it. Oh.
But yeah, bro. Thank you.